how did you learn about the curl users? Did you start to look for users, or were they reaching out to you and the project, or a combination of these?
I think I originally thought that people would tell me when they would do fun things with curl, because you want to have this community where everyone is sort of friendly and cozy with each other. You would just tell, hey, we did this fun thing. You should just know that we use curl to do this. Cool. But I very soon learned that that is not at all how the world works, right? People just, since it's open source, it's there legally. They can just do whatever they want. Pretty much, they have to adhere to the license, of course. But other than that, they don't have to tell me, and they don't, right? So most users, they just download curl, or they don't even download it from us. They probably install it from somewhere else, and they put it in a product, ship it, and they're happy. But they don't tell me, and I don't know who's using it. And uh, in a lot of products, it's really hard for me from an outsider to know if they're using curl too, right? So I don't know at all. Um, there was a time when I tried to ask people about it, but it never works because only a tiny fraction of users would ever say. And then, of course, I have started to get questions from people using different products where curl was installed or involved. So then that was a giveaway that this product is using curl, and that is still actually a pretty good way to learn about curl being used in different things. And then over time, actually, companies, I think, have become better at actually adhering to the license, so they actually mention somewhere, usually in some documentation, that they're using curl. There's a license somewhere, and these days that's usually available online. So if I just try to Google for curl license PDF open source, maybe Daniel or whatever, you can find thousands of different license information pages for different products. That's one way to do it. Of course, it's still hard because it's a haystack, right? How do I know which needles are in there? It's really hard to actually know. And of course, then I also have, since a bunch of years back now, I have this collection where I collect screenshots of curl credits in products. And that's also helpful because then people can help me. They can just find curl mentions in products and send me a screenshot. Hey, I found this screenshot in this game, product, car, TV, whatever. And then I learn, oh, they're using it in that. So that is still sort of still the old-fashioned way to find what curl is used in. I had to find it mentioned somewhere in relation to a product or something. Otherwise, I don't.